is my tutorial for a classic Christmas tumbler using Southern Belle glitter transfers. Earlier this year, I made it my mission to flip my strip tumblers. Y'all, I would rather throw the whole tumbler away than strip it, but I also never throw anything away, so I have shelves of these forgotten, not finished, I don't like it tumblers that sit and mock me daily. So for this tumbler, instead of using foil for my background, I have this shiplap peel and stick wallpaper that I actually used on my craft table. I thought it would be perfect for the background that I'm going for. I'm going on a beach girls, well, we are beach girls, or girls beach weekend this weekend. So I wanted to make a super quick tutorial, and y'all, flipping a tumbler using foils or transfers can be so quick and easy. I started and applied the last coat of epoxy on this tumbler in one day. One day! This design is perfect if you have a craft show coming up and you want to quickly make a few more tumblers to sell. I guess I'm in a classic or vintage Christmas mood, and I love how in some of those vintage designs you see sheet music in the background, so I thought I would do the same. I found some super cute vintage Christmas sheet music on designbundles.com, and I chose the song Hark the Herald Angels Sing for this design. I printed the image out on my inkjet water slide, and because it's inkjet water slide, I have to seal it. So I used Krylon Triple Thick to seal it, made it nice and glossy, added it to some water, and then I applied it to my tumbler. Let your water slide completely dry, then we'll be ready to add some gold foils. I'm using Southern Belle glitter foil adhesive or foil glue to apply my foil, but don't feel you need to. Use whatever adhesive is easiest for you. In order to keep my epoxy from repelling, I'm going to seal my tumbler with Quick Coat from CC DIY. If you use Quick Coat, please make sure it's completely dry before applying your epoxy or you'll get this weird white filmy stuff. I'm going to be using my heat gun to dry it faster, but you can also just let it air dry. Just make sure that it's dry. And of course, to give my tumbler a shimmery, almost snowy type look, I'll be adding some extra sparkle. I'll be using Virginish from PDB into my epoxy. Now, warning, okay, warning, y'all. It is so easy to turn into one of the Cullens from that vampire family, so be careful. Hold your breath and gently pour that sparkly Virginish into your epoxy. I didn't use much, just enough to give my tumbler some sparkle, but y'all, please, if you sneeze or if something blows on that, oh, it's over. It's over. Your whole craft room house will be shimmering by the end of the day. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our transfers. If you follow me on my Facebook and Instagram pages, a couple of weeks ago, I told you guys to run and grab these super cute Southern Belle Glitter Classic Christmas transfers. If you did, yes, you are all set. But if you didn't, as of today, Tuesday, October 31st, happy Halloween, they are sold out. However, I talked with Cindy over at Southern Belle Glitter, and she informed me that they will be getting more in soon. I'll be sure, I promise you guys, I will be sure to post as soon as she does or as soon as she tells me that she has some more. So make sure you're following me on my Facebook and Instagram so you'll be in the know. I absolutely love using these rub-on transfers because they are so beautiful and bright and can be layered to make your own designs. When you're done adding these transfers, your tumbler will quite literally look like it has, like a Christmas wrap on it. It's going to be completely adorable. For the bottom, I pretty much remained similar to what the main tumbler looks like, except I just used some Matador glitter to add my background. I should have done the shiplap. I don't know why. I'm just thinking about that now. I'm not sure why I did. I think it's because of how deep the bottom is. So I was thinking maybe I just didn't feel like filling in the bottom, then adding the shiplap on top. I don't know what I was thinking, but you can add the shiplap peel and stick wallpaper to the bottom if you want to. I just did Matador glitter, then I applied some foils, and then I applied one of the rub-on transfers and my signature, and then I was done. I'm also using UV resin, and I'm just taking my tumbler outside in my backyard in the sun to cure. I'm ready to seal my tumbler and get it all finished up, but one thing you need to know, you need to seal the transfers with a clear sealer. I'm using Quick Coat, but you can also use a spray sealer because the transfers, they tend to repel the epoxy, so do not skip that step. Sometimes I forget and I'll put the epoxy on and I'll look over after about 10-15 minutes and I can see the epoxy getting these huge dimples in it, so I'll have to rush over and just keep my eye on it, just keep smoothing out the epoxy until it's cured enough that it no longer moves. So just remember to seal those transfers. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You already know. I added some extra sparkle because it's me. It's what I do, and you need to do it too, okay? Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me now. Just do it. Do it. Let cure, and then you'll be all done. You guys, I made these 2 tumblers in one day, and they are so pretty. If you have never used rub-on transfers before, definitely you need to add them to your craft room inventory. They are so fast and easy to use and perfect for flipping those strip tumblers that we all have hiding somewhere in our craft rooms collecting dust. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your own classic Christmas tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.